the keyboard will connect more DVR by S485. Do you have any Tommy other suggestion?
Do you have to have the keyboard? You have to have the keyboard in order to work the joystick?
No.
No.
One keyboard plus one joystick.
Yeah, this joystick can work independently.
Oh, you can.
In theory, it's just same as a mouse. As you know, the joystick mouse. So you have two buttons. Left button, same with the mouse left button. Right button, same as the mouse right button. And the joystick is the direction. Yeah, so you can work, if you don't run our program, it can work like a mouse. But if you work without this, you can use the joystick to control the PVZ. Yeah.
So basically it's one-to-one, one joystick per DVR through a USB connection. But if you made it with the keyboard, now one joystick will give you control over 16 DVRs via RS.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So you can buy both to integrate, or you can buy independently. Yeah. The reason why we have this is we didn't sell very well for our keyboard now. Yeah, we don't know the reason why. Maybe the joystick, but the joystick is very, very expensive. You know, it's a very high-end joystick. You can control the zoom at the top of the joystick. Yeah. It's not just like a pen. Yeah.
And here we have prepared two frequently asked questions. And in this FAQ session, I'll show you one of our feature, which is not very well known by our customers. It's called Auto Gain Control, or AGC. What it does is basically it can check your video signals, and if it finds that video signal either too weak or too strong, it can automatically adjust the video signal. Or you can also do it manually. Here I'll show you how it works. It's in our video attributes standard, and on the left button side you can see AGC buttons, and this is how it looks like. Because we have 16 cameras here, so it provides 16 slides for me to manually adjust each camera. And on the top side, you can see auto, default, and apply. The auto button will do the auto gain control automatically. If I have a video signal that is too weak, sometimes it can cause video loss. And now I'll show that to you. As you can see on camera 1, we're gradually reducing the video signal strength. And now the video becomes really dark, hard to see. And by clicking on the auto button, oh, right now it's video loss. Okay. Now if I press the auto button, it can automatically adjust the video quality back to what you've seen before. Yeah.
And in my experience, we do a lot of applications where we'll have maybe wax runs between 200 and some of them maybe up to almost 600 feet. Some coming in over UTP and so on. And it's been our experience in the field. This has been a great help to us. But what we found is in our installations, the first time we hit it, it establishes a baseline. The second time we hit it, it makes the full adjustment. So we hit auto twice. And the first time we do it, some will be a little overdriven, some under, but it seems to establish a baseline. The second time we hit it, adjust them appropriately.
Yeah. Because it's this circuit is not so precisely. Yeah. So maybe you need to. Yeah. Because the signal is sometimes has a peak.
But this is probably the best feature that we've seen in helping us do our job. Because there's we replace a lot of analog head ends. And the analog head ends have splices and long coax runs and bad terminations. And it used to be that if you had a bad signal, it would freeze up the entire DVR on one channel. But now with this has allowed us to succeed with technical staff that are installing that aren't that involved with video. They just hit the button a couple times and they get a good adjustment.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thanks
We-
for sharing your experience. Yes.
Yeah, we also consider to have a different kind of how can I say, warning message. Right now, there's only the message for video lost. So we are considering to put the weak signal message. So when we detect the message is weak, we will display instead of we'll go into freeze. Yeah. So, but as you know, it's a little difficult for the driver architecture. But right now, we are implementing now. Yeah. So once we finish, maybe the user can easily to adjust the AGC. Yeah.
And AGC control is available only on our 6 series card and also 8 series card right now. So basically that's 600, 650, and GB800.
Are you going to implement it on the combo cards as well?
Combo card do not need the AGC because the reason why is we use a chipset we call the BTA78. Unfortunately, we didn't use one channel to one BTA78. Actually, one channel maybe 4 channel mapped to one BTA78. And unfortunately, when we switch the channel by our circuit or firmware, we found we cannot use the BTA78 internal AGC. There's a bug inside the BTA78. So we have no choice. So we have to implement the AGC outside the chips. Yeah. So that's the reason only for the capture board with BTA78, then you will face the AGC adjustment problem. For the rest of the combo card, you don't have the problem. Yeah. So only for the GB600 and the GB678.
And
Are you
Please.
saying that the other combo cards are not using the 878 chipset?
Yes. Yeah. Actually, the GB combo card we use takeaway decoder. Takeaway. Yeah. So takeaway is one channel to one channel. Yeah. So we use the chipset internal AGC. Yeah. But of course, they have a minimum, activate voltage. Yeah. But we cannot do it outside.
How about the 250 card? Do you have that in some?
Because 250 is a very low end car, so we want to have the spec
Yeah.
different from the GB600.
And one of the probably the most frequently asked question is how to install drivers. Some of the IT pros prefer installing drivers